Hey, what's going on out there, my drivers? This is your boy Trucking with Keith, the back road king. And today's video, what I'm gonna be sharing with you is I'm gonna be cooking breakfast, man. Just gonna be having, some breakfast. I'm going to cook in my truck and, things like that. So I decided to go ahead and kind of give you a glimpse of what I'm doing and basically how I'm doing it. Now, right now I'm in Connecticut, Danbury, Connecticut, right at a little bit past the state line. I'm at the rest area that has the scale house in it. I'm here because I have a night delivery tonight in, what's that? I forget the name of the town. It's right north of Hartford, Connecticut. I'm going to Trader Joe's. I seen on the Google Maps where it's called World Class Distribution. So I'm going over there to deliver this load I got. It's like some dairy type products, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna get cooking. Because I'm not gonna. This video is not about my runs and stuff like that, but it's just basically just to share with you. But in this video, I'm not going to show me just actually cooking and things like that, because that's I don't want to drag it on and have you watch me cook something on the truck. I'm basically in this video just sharing with you that we're gonna be cooking on the truck, and you can cook on the truck too. Now, I'm going to be using an induction cooker to cook in the truck, a New Wave pick induction cooker. With this induction cooker, you need a power inverter, a pure shine wave power inverter. Should I say that? You need a pure shine wave power inverter in order to run this particular induction cooker that I'm gonna be cooking with in the truck. So the power inverter that I have is a 2,000 watt power inverter with a 4,000 watt max range to it. So it's a pretty powerful baby. Now, this is a test for it as well, because this is going to be the first time that I'm going to be cooking with my induction cooker on this power inverter. So I'm excited to go ahead and get started with that. So look, without further ado, man, I'm just going to go ahead and, get it underway so that we can get this video on out and edit it and all that, and you can see what's going on out here. But I'm going to turn the camera around and show you where I'm sitting at. I'm not going to walk around a lot and show you that I'm here at the rest area, but I'm going to show you the view, the beautiful view that I'm looking at out there. That's another thing about trucking, man. We park in some crazy places, but we have some amazing views, right? Get to see. Sometimes we don't get a chance to look at scenic views. Sometimes we do. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to cooking, man. Let's get to cooking. All right. So I'm about to go ahead and smash. Enjoy. Cook you some breakfast, turkey, bacon, and eggs in the truck. And it's hitting. Toast. I got some jelly that I'm gonna throw on here. See you guys on another video. And there you have it, my drivers. I am done. This video's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. Look, I gotta put more videos out. Actually, I've recorded a lot of videos, but I just don't have time to edit them like the way that I want to edit. So I haven't been putting videos up like that. So this video, I didn't have to edit much, so I got this video on out. But I got a lot of videos that I've done 6, 7, 8 months ago that I'm going to be uploading. So with that being said, this is Trucking with Keith. Thanks for watching, aka the Back Road Kings, and we're going to see you on down the road. Be safe out there and have a good one. Peace out.